These are the elevators. You're at the Crown Plaza Hotel, Burlingame, California, old United States. Wow, look at that view. Sweet, these aren't locked off. Oh yeah, these are US. Oh, you can tell no one really stays on the 9th and the 10th floor. Yeah, this is just a slap-on mod. Why replace square buttons with square buttons? What's the point of that? Whoa, that was cool. Old innovation. Let's see if we can go in here.
Thank you.
What floor are you going to?
Second.
Yeah. Interesting lights. Look at that. They're just like kind of everywhere. Okay, let's listen. That's awesome. Ooh, it's got the old arrows on the indicator. That's the service and all bigger, I believe. Oh yeah.